Good morning.
Good morning, sir. How can I help you?
I have come to the airport for the first time. I have to check in.
Sure, sir. Can I have your ticket and ID?
Here you go. I have my Aadhaar card and my A-ticket.
Thank you. May I know your destination?
I am traveling to Mumbai.
Excellent. Do you have any check-in luggage?
Yes, I have the suitcase.
Please put your suitcase on the scales.
Alright.
Your suitcase is within the weight limit. This is your boarding pass and cabin baggage tag. Please keep these safe.
Thank you. What should I do next?
You will need to go through a security check. Follow the signs that say, security check.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
You are welcome. Have a safe trip.
Good morning, sir. Please put all your belongings on the tray. Good morning. Should I put my phone and wallet on the tray too? Yes, sir. Please place your phone, wallet, belt, and any metal items in the tray. Okay, here they are. Do you have a laptop or tablet in your bag? Yes, I have a laptop. Please take it out and place it in a separate tray. Sure. Now, please walk through the metal detector. Okay. Please stand still for a moment. Is everything okay? Yes, sir. You can collect your belongings now. Thank you. Do I need to do anything else? No, sir. Your security check is over. You can proceed to your gate. Where can I find my gate number? It is written on your boarding pass. You can also see the flight information on the screen. Thank you very much for your help. You are welcome. Have a nice flight. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you. Safe travels.
Thanks for watching. May you have a great time ahead.